I would like to introduce myself. I am Abdul Rehman, belong to Kushali reading in 10th class in Frontier Model High School. Today, my teacher gave me opportunity to talk about your topic. So today, I selected the topic about book. What is book? So I want to give some information about the book and to know what is book. It is the necessary things for human life. If we know about it, so we can be develop the country. It is the necessary things in the life. If we take it and learn something about it, so we can be development. And it is consider as a friend, because if we are alone in the life, or if we are alone in any area, so if we have a book, so we are so it means that we are I am not alone. It give a bright in our life if you know about it. And if the two countries want it to be war between each other, so they should be know about the book. And if you want to become a pilot, you should be know about the book. And if you want to become a big doctor, so you should be know about the book.
You should know. You should know.
You should know about the book. So therefore, I want to advise you to know about the book. And it has many types like the Holy Quran. It is also important for our life because the more big scientists also help from this from the Holy Quran. And it is also book the Clever says that other subject in Quran is a book. So it is important and I advise you to take it and don't leave it in our area. If we look the poor people, they haven't books, so they are working anywhere. So those people who have a book, they are getting education and they are a big officer. So it was about the books.
Thank you so much.